Somerville Police Department has teamed up with the Middlesex Sheriff's Department and 4 other local communities to begin a regional gun buyback program. It's an opportunity for residents to remove unused and unwanted guns from their homes safely. No questions asked. Reporter Shelley Shue looks into the program and brings us the results of the first gun buyback.
Okay, model.
CFF duty.
We've done gun buybacks in the past, but this is the first time we're doing a regional gun buyback with our community partners.
Starting at 9 o'clock in the morning, the event lasted for 4 hours and netted 33 guns in total.
We got an assortment of guns. We got some pellet guns, some long rifles, numerous handguns, ranging from antique guns, Revolutionary War reproduction guns, as well as skeet shooting and shotguns. It's more of a community safety, community partnership, and it's not necessarily geared towards the guns on the street. It's more people who have guns in their homes, people who have either inherited homes or they found firearms in the houses, relatives have left firearms to them, maybe a spouse passed away and they had a firearm and the people didn't know what to do with it. You know, I equate it to like a hazardous waste drop off. You have those old paints or old chemicals you need to get rid of, you just don't know where to put them, where to send them, and today was the day to give them to us.
I believe this one was a house clean out. I do antiques and collectibles, and years ago, so I've had it for years, and I wasn't ever going to use it. So okay, time to turn into cash.
The Somerville Police worked with the local businesses and houses of worship to publicize and fund the event. Participants could remain completely anonymous and receive a $100 gift certificate in exchange for their unwanted firearms.
One thing that's really important to note too is that this is a way to build communities for police departments. For Somerville, actually engaging with faith-based organizations and community-based organizations to pull together to organize these gun buybacks is really important for communities. They build communities, they build relationships, and they show that they care about their community. So it's a great way for law enforcement, faith-based and community organizations to work together.
The Middlesex County Sheriff's Office under Sheriff Kadujan had been running buyback events for the last 2 years. The sheriff realized the benefit of getting local police departments more involved under a regional buyback program.
Since we've begun these the last year and a half or 2 years, these have been very effective. Before this last recent slew, we've taken about 300 guns off the street. With this last regional approach with Arlington, Belmont, Cambridge, Watertown, and Somerville, we're going to have about perhaps another 150 off the street. So we're talking about, in the last couple of years, taking almost 500 guns out of homes where people didn't want those guns, making them safer, making our community safer, and making those families happier as well.
According to the Smart Gun laws, an intentional firearm caused the death of more than 600 people in 2010. And at least 265 were shot accidentally by kids last year. The sheriff believes expanding the gun buyback program can bring those numbers down locally.
It's my hope that as we have a National Drug Take-Back Day, perhaps we can have a county-wide gun take-back day where on the same day or the same couple of days, every town will have a gun buyback or a gun take-back effort in their community. And that will bring great results because it will not be just for those people that want to turn it in their community. They might learn about it from another community. They might not be able to make their community's day, but they can make another day. And that's what we found in this recent, more regional approach with the 5 towns we've used, is that more communities are finding out about the existence of this gun buyback through another community's involvement, and then they're able to make one or the other, or from completely outside of any of those communities, they're actually bringing some of the weapons in because they don't want them in their homes.
For those who keep guns in their home legally, securing guns and ammunition is key to safety.
Well, if you're going to have a gun at home, you obviously want to make sure it's secure. There's trigger locks, there's barrel locks, there's emptying the firearm itself, unloading the firearm. And especially what I do at home myself, having children, is I keep my ammunition locked up, secure differently than when the firearm is. You may, get access to my firearm, although it's unlikely because it's locked in a lockbox. But if somehow you do get access to that, you don't have the ammunition that goes with it. So you separate the ammunition from the firearm.
For Somerville Neighborhood News, I'm Xiaoli Xu.
If you have a gun or ammunition that you would like to get out of the house, the Somerville Police Department will arrange an anonymous drop-off at the Washington Street Station. Call the department at 617-625-1600 and ask for Officer Catherine McDade.